How to make a negative shapes shadow painting. What is a negative shape? A negative shape in an artwork is the shape around the object. In this photo, the negative shape is the white space around the plant. Materials you will need: shadow of a natural object, large piece of paper or cardboard, pencil or marker, paint, and a paintbrush. Step 1. Find the shadow of a natural object. Trace the shadow onto your large paper or cardboard. Step 2. Use your paint to fill in the smallest negative shapes of your drawing. Step 3. Use your paint to outline and fill the large negative shapes in your painting. Step 4. Admire your work. Can you still recognize the natural object in your abstract negative shape painting?